Hello everybody, my name is Patrick Peters. I'm the CEO of ClientReferrals, and we're a leader in the immigrant investor industry. Since 1997, we've been the leading service provider in the Canadian programs, and since 2013, the Antigua Citizenship by Investment program. I'd like to invite you to join us at the upcoming Bosco Conference, during which I'll be joined by the CEO of Antigua's CIU. Together we're going to go through the program details, the Antigua and Barbuda Citizenship by Investment program details, and answer any questions that you may have. Our goal is to ensure that you're well equipped and knowledgeable to be able to serve your clients properly. So I look forward to seeing you there and welcoming you there.